can do, see this bolt right here, it turns. You'll take this off, this comes out. And if you got a spare flywheel, you can put the spare flywheel down, put your base back on, screw this back on, and now you have a nice sturdy area where you can carry the transmission. If you want, you can put some ratchet straps around it to keep that transmission secure instead of having a transmission jack. So make sure y'all get with us, 214-791-7037. You can check us out at our shop here in Dallas at 3508 Delito Drive, Dallas, Texas, 75228. And we're still over here on the 6.8 liter. First and foremost, you got to disconnect that drive shaft from the very back differential. Once you disconnect the drive shaft, I still have it intact because I don't want to lose my fluid, which would be coming out the tail piece of the transmission. And then you're going to take out all the bell bolts all the way around the edge. You're going to take your starter out, and then you're going to get the mounting bracket off. Now, as I showed you earlier, I put the flywheel, a different flywheel here as an adapter on top of my jack, and I got a strap around the transmission. Tied it so that when it teeters backwards, it won't fall off. Okay, now that I got that, I got it pushed back just enough to see the flywheel. Alrighty, so I already broke them all loose. They were on really tight. What I had to do was put me a pair of vice grips here, wedge it against the muffler, and you know, you're gonna get something, an extendable socket wrench. This allowed me to break it.